I often don't see guitar builders using flux. Though it isn't essential or necessary, it is probably best practice to find something to break down the oxides on the metal surface. What is flux? Flux is designed to improve electrical contact and mechanical strength in solder joints. Do you really need flux? No. But in order to ensure a strong bond, you need to have a surface free of metal oxides. No matter how much you clean a metal surface, you will still need some sort of flux for the solder to stick. Without flux, a solder joint will not be strong or conductive enough. I moved over to the very thin 0.8 diameter solder. It works great for soldering microcontrollers and circuits. It's composed of 2% rosin, but there's just not enough flux in it, which is why I gravitated towards the Flux Pen. Almost all solder has a rosin flux core. If you use solder with a flux core, you don't need a Flux Pen. But adding additional flux has another benefit. I've noticed that when heating solder to its melting point, the solder chases the surfaces where flux is applied. And it's because of this feature that I use it every time I'm soldering. There's always some flux residue, and I just clean it off with some alcohol, and it comes right off with just 1 or 2 scrubs. You don't really want to add a lot of flux. It'll just burn and turn a golden brown. You just want to lightly apply it onto the surface. My workflow has increased significantly after using flux. Soldering joints is just a lot faster, a lot cleaner, and takes really no time at all. Look at that. A perfect joint, perfectly filled. And you could see almost the solder chasing the flux. It goes to where the flux is. Solder typically wants to go to a surface free of oxides. I rarely see guitar builders clean their contact surfaces or their joints, and I certainly don't see anyone using flux. Again, it really helps contribute to making soldering a much faster process. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and take it easy.